AdTech Medical Instrument Corporation is proud to present the Cueva cranial nerve electrode system. This represents a true advance in direct cochlear and other cranial nerve monitoring. This tape has been produced to illustrate the use of this new electrode. The Cueva cranial nerve electrode system is made up of the electrode, a connecting cable, and the applicator. Each component was designed with safety and ease of use in mind. The applicator is grasped by the handle. On the end of the applicator is the distal yoke. The proximal yoke is at the midpoint of the applicator. Integral to the handle is a finger tab which, when pushed by the index finger, slides the proximal yoke toward the distal yoke as shown. To load the electrode on the applicator, the distal yoke is stabilized and the electrode positioned with its lead wire in the groove of the yoke as shown. The electrode is then held in position in the distal yoke as the lead wire is pulled to engage the bead on the near side of the proximal yoke. This close-up more clearly demonstrates placement of the electrode on the distal yoke of the applicator, followed by engaging the bead on the proximal yoke. Once accomplished, this holds the electrode body open for placement on the nerve. Once the electrode has been placed around the nerve, the finger tab is pushed to relax tension on the lead wire. The wire is gently lifted out of the proximal yoke. To get the best angle of approach for electrode placement on the nerve, electrode position on the distal yoke is easily adjusted. This picture-in-a-picture view demonstrates electrode placement in a patient with a cerebellopontine angle tumor. The dominant hand holds the loaded applicator while the lead wire is held with the non-dominant hand. Once the electrode is in place, the finger tab is pressed and the lead wire carefully disengaged from the proximal yoke. The applicator is delicately removed from the field. With the electrode attached to the nerve, the lead wire is carefully stabilized while the silicone flange is clamped to the drape. The connecting cable, which has been plugged into the monitoring head box, is attached to the electrode. The rapid response of direct cochlear nerve monitoring with the Cueva cranial nerve electrode is demonstrated in this tracing, which required only 6 sweeps to achieve a high-quality cochlear nerve action potential. Once the need for direct nerve monitoring has passed, the connecting cable is detached from the lead wire and the silicone flange released from the clamp. Conventional auditory brainstem monitoring is resumed. The lead wire is stabilized with the non-dominant hand as the applicator is brought into the surgical field. The distal yoke of the applicator is positioned against the electrode with the lead wire in the groove. The non-dominant hand pulls the lead wire to widely open the electrode, allowing atraumatic removal. Once removed, system components should be discarded since electrode and wand are for single use only and should not be reused. We believe this tape provides the information needed to successfully use AdTech's Cueva cranial nerve electrode. However, should questions arise, please contact AdTech Medical Instrument Corporation